In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily route traffic to your website using Medium. Now, if you're already creating Medium posts, this will be perfect for you. But even if you're just starting with Medium, this will be great for you as well, because this simple trick will allow you to get regular views to your website once you start posting regularly to Medium. Starting on Medium here, we're going to go to our profile. We're going to click on our profile picture up here on the top right-hand corner of the screen, and then we're going to click Profile from there. Once we're into our profile here, we're just going to keep our attention over here to the right-hand side of the screen under our name, and here is where we can edit our profile. So I've got my profile in here, so I'm just going to click Edit, and you can put anything that you want in here. Keep in mind, it does have a max of 160 characters. So at the end of this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to press Enter, and I am going to put my website in here. After I put my website in here, I'm going to click Save. Now you need to put the HTTPS just like a regular web address in here, and I'm going to hit Save. Now, when I go back to my profile, my link to my website is showing up under my profile. That way, once somebody comes in and starts reading your posts and they go into your profile, they can see your website and they can visit your website straight from your Medium profile. Also, if you're interested in automating your Medium posts, I found a really cool tool. It's called MedPoster AI, and you can automate your Medium post using ChatGPT so that it posts to Medium every single day. And you can check that out by clicking on the link down below in the description box. So I want to say thank you so much for watching my video until the end. Thank you for watching.